So I'm getting ready to go out, spend the day with myself as I watch Desperate Wives.
And the housewife is just separate this pain.
No, I'm kidding.
I just want.
Mrs. Scarborough is correct, please.
I'm thinking if mag-contacts ko or not, but here's the makeup. The hair is still undone though, so
This is my class key. Girl, you can't.
our first stop is to buy lunch. It's already 5 p.m. but still very sweaty. Kaya dagan ko dala mga labhunon na dapat iuli. Because I'm craving their food and I wanted to try the basmati curry something grain. So we got the goods and na-try na nako siya inside, but kailangan ko siya ma-finish cause I need to go to my appointment sa Love and Styles cause 7 p.m. lang sila kutob and it's already 5:44, so hopefully wala traffic. Hi guys, so it's so traffic ang kauna lang ko dito sa car. I'm hoping na makaabot ako sa akong appointment. 7 lang sila and it's already 6. Tapos yun ay cut off or what. Traffic UK guys, like super duper. I can't even.
Wala mong good. Sabak ka si mama bon.
Fitting errand is done. I don't know where to go now. Because originally, I wanted to watch cinema. But, hindi makay ko fan of Devil Wears Prada. Uy, pwede rin ako siya ma-watch sa illegal sites at home. Wala ko gigasto ng money. So like, you know, in short, dili kay siya nga worth it for me nga gastuhan. I wanted to go sa katong live jazz sa Gatekeep. So, medyo nagduha-duha na ko mo ato dito because look at my skirt. Can you see? Ang oil sa katong akong food ganina kaya nabutang siya sa akong skirt while I was eating it. I wanna spend time alone with myself, with my thoughts. Meantime, before mas ko usab. I really don't like going to school. I'm planning to take photo booth pictures, so hopefully naa sila. Nabay photo booth nga mo dawat og Gcash. Wala ba yung Gcash? Nakakahiya naman if maki-cash out ko sa some people there. But yeah, I hope everything works out for me tonight. First mong guro sa Davao na jazz. Gani, wala na kayo. Saan next? Saan na nasa kilid? Lemon? Ay, popcorn. Sabi ay. Ka-cute. Gani. Man ako sa Gatekeep and can I just say it was an experience. I mean, although ako lang isa drinking, I had 1 glass of cocktail, so okay ra na. That's good. I like the jazz music, so every Wednesday lang na siya na as with friends. Let's go. So Wednesday, the bartender, so friendly. Tagaan ko yung free 1 shot of sine-sine. Basically, it's a vodka shot. Sana sila different meanings sa ilang drinks, which also added character to it. Pero like, overall, nice experience. Photo booth was good too. Okay, naka-option kung how many seconds, pila ka takes, 6 takes to. So like, as someone like me, na dugay jud kaayo mo sa mga ingana, I really had my time. It's the only one nga na-added to alone. Okay, halos tanan yun na do sila with friends or with their partner. So whatever guys, bilog ang mundo. Oh well, yeah, I really had fun spending time with myself. And katong gihatag sa bartender, I really liked it. If mabalik man lang ko next, maybe kato kong i-order, cause lamig gyud siya. There's something about it nga sweet, nga medyo smoky, nga I don't know, and na siya character, kaya na siya free popcorn beside it, which is also so cute. Kung i-order mo good kay basta something silang 5 de Mayo nga limited series, so since it's limited, then I gotta try it. I told myself nga gusto ko today for myself, because I really want to spoil myself. Yeah, amot lang kasi lately kapoy jud ko eskwelahan. I'm so tired of school, and I don't know, I need to touch my sense of self or bitaw guys. Like, nice, good every once in a while you go out yourself and then spend time alone, meet people. Like, yeah, not in my best shape right now to meet other people, but still nice experience. Still a nice experience to meet other people. Maybe muli na ko sa among balay. Like, balay na gyud. Yeah, ako magong ginaprolong muli sa balay. Although I really miss home, at the same time, really want to be with myself lang. You know what I mean? I'm home. Proof that I'm home. Come here! Faster! Say hi to the video.
Hi.
And Kuya too.
Hi.
Hi, brothers.
Bye.